As we get to the font tab in your project settings, what this controls is actually all types of fonts within your dimensions and your text on your design. So you can have the ability to change any type of font. So you can have a look in there to change all of your font type. You can change the size of your font. I generally keep it quite large for myself as part of doing software training to make sure that customers have the ability to see all of my dimensions and text on my screen. You can change it to be bold, italic. It will generate a small sample in that window right there for you to see what your text will look like. When we go to the bottom section on font colors, it opens up this color settings window. Within the color settings window, we have the ability to go and change all element colors. So in that case, our roof elements, so roof panels, your ceiling, walls, floors, supports, plating, when those get added onto your lintels, your trusses, and your structural elements. When you select a frame, it turns to a dark blue color, and also the item you select on that frame turns to this light blue color. As we go down a little bit more, we go to the plain outline colors. So changing the properties of those frames, you'll see what changes on their outline border colors. If you change the properties to locked, then it would change to that orange outline. If you change to a lock truss, it changes from the color that it was to this very neon green color right there. The project background color right there that we have is in the project tab. Your 3D view in this case will change to the color you set within that box. Also, any designer background, so with those designer views at the top right there, will be changed to the color you set within this box. On the right hand side, you can change the colors for your dimensions and text shown in your project view, and also within your designer views right there. You can save your color scheme to one that you set, or you can load a preset that you've already created in the past. We can click apply, and then you can click OK as soon as you're happy with those settings. When going to the white rectangle behind dimensions, if we have this activated, you can see in this example I'm bringing up right there, it has a small white box or border around or at the back of this dimension. Now, if we turn this function off in the project settings right there, by unticking that box and clicking OK, you can see the dimension no longer has that box or border around the text. So we can turn this on and off according to your personal preference in this case. I prefer to have it turned on for myself to give me a more clear view of my dimensions.